Manually testing devices to make sure they're being recorded is time-consuming, costly and disruptive, and still may not provide total assurance of compliance. Quantify Assure Daily System Check automatically tests that all devices are being recorded. List your devices and set your schedule, and an automated test call is used to check every device. Done. The Quantify Assure status information is reported through Quantify Insight using the Assure status indicator. Just like the other Insight indicators, all Assure data is aggregated through the one indicator, so all it takes is one glance to see what's happening with your system. A green tick and all is good, a red X and something needs your attention. And for the ultimate light touch approach, you can also have your system check notifications emailed to you and your staff. So let's take a look at Quantify Assure and Daily System Check in a little more detail. First we'll click the Assure indicator to see the subcategories. At the moment there's only Daily System Check, but further Quantify Assure tools are planned for future releases. So let's click the Daily System Check icon to see the test details. From the Daily System Check screen you can see the test results for all your devices. You can also narrow the view down a little by clicking the passed and failed icons. For failed devices, you can also see the reason for the failure, which should help you resolve the problem. For example, the recording not found error would indicate that the call to the device was successful, otherwise that error would be reported, but perhaps the particular device has not been configured within Quantify to actually be recorded. Configuring Daily System Check is also a simple process. Just click through to the configuration screen, where you can set your schedule, define your platform, and import a list of recordable devices. For email setup, just click Messaging and you can set your email server and recipient list. So that's Quantify Assure at a glance. Fast, simple and total assurance.